So HRT, hormone replacement therapy, when I say that I want a hormone replacement therapy, do you want human hormones or horses' hormones?
I think I'd want a human's hormone.
Exactly. We're not horses or pigs or whatever that animal's out there, right?
Yeah.
So let's talk about the real thing first.
Okay.
When you talk about hormone replacement therapy, we want to talk about human hormone replacement therapy,
Okay.
period.
Yeah.
Okay? That's the thing. Now, you can get those hormones made in the lab for us, so we can get those hormones. So that's not the question for us at this point. So let's talk about hormone replacement therapy at this point now. If you do the hormone replacement therapy using human hormones, the body has a system built in to nullify, destroy, and remove it.
Really?
Yeah, because your liver can process all these hormones and get rid of it.
Okay.
If it uses horses' hormones, the body goes, wait a second, what am I supposed to do with this? I have no idea how to deal with this chemical because I have nothing in my body to naturally detoxify you. And so a single pill of estrogen coming from the horses is actually sitting in the body for over 45 days compared to 12 hours of a human hormone.
Interesting.
As I said earlier, it is so toxic, the body wants to get in, get the job done, and get out. Come in, get the job done, and get out.
Okay.
Don't stay for 45 days, because if you stay for 45 days, it's constantly damaging your body a little bit here and there all day long for the next 45 days.
Okay.
Right? And so that's the issue, right? So yes, estrogen is not the perfect hormones for us, but estrogen is considered an angel of life and angel of death. That means without estrogen, you cannot survive. But too much can kill you. It's you get the right amount.
Okay.
And if you get the right amount, especially with the human hormone, guess what? You're gonna feel like $1 million. And that's the whole, that's the magic. That's the magic is right there. Identify what your needs are. And basically everybody's needs are different.
Yeah.
Right? Just because my sister took this hormones, that doesn't mean I need the same exact level of hormones. No.
Yeah.
Everybody's needs are different, right? If that was the case, then everybody will have the same amount of money and you'll be happy. No, you won't be happy, right? Everybody has different needs.
Right.
Yeah. And so based on your needs, your hormone levels will fluctuate, and working with the pharmacist or physicians who understands this thing will be very beneficial to identify those needs. But when you do replacement in menopause, you're replacing all the hormones.
Okay.
Estrogen, progesterone goes together because they counterbalance each other. Testosterone and DHEA goes together because they're both androgens, right? They're fixed hormones. Prednisolone goes together because with the DHEA, because prednisolone is the mothership hormone. So it's way up in the hierarchy, and so it will trickle down to whatever hormones the body wants to make it out of it.
Okay.
And so as a mother hormone of prednisolone, it's really good for memory and cognition, things like that. And as you age, your memory starts getting affecting. It's not because of just the hormones, because there's also the oxidative stress issue, which is my whole different element. We can talk about the oxidative stress and glutathione next, but the whole issue about that is if you have enough prednisolone with DHEA combination, it helps with memory and cognition as well. So we use hormones to kind of battle the symptoms, a little bit of replacement, but not to your 20-year-old girl that you were once before, because honestly, you didn't appreciate 20-year-olds when you were 20-year-olds either, because I don't want this acne, I don't want this, I don't want all these different issues with a 20-year-old. But a 30-year-old, maybe, right? So the hormone levels needs to be better, right? Suited for your age. So, and you can do testings to figure out what your levels are, and you can replace those back into action.